Why are you laughing at someone that is crying? Do you think it's a good thing to laugh at someone that is crying? For me, I don't think so. Rather, you find out why that person is really crying and you do something about it. Okay, if this is a video that you'd like to watch in terms of how to translate this to Igbo language, I would like you to do something for me to subscribe and follow my page. Now, let's dive into why are you laughing at someone that is crying? How will you translate it to Igbo? It is simple. Gịnị mere iji achị onye na-akwa akwa ọchị? Gịnị mere ịkwa akwa ma ọ bụ ibe akwa n'asụsụ Igbo, that is crying. Gịnị mere iji achị onye na-akwa akwa ọchị? Or ị nwekwara ike isi gịnị kpatara iji achị onye na-ebe akwa ọchị? They are the same thing. Why are you laughing at someone that is crying? Gịnị mere iji achị onye na-akwa akwa ọchị? Gịnị kpatara iji achị onye na-ebe akwa ọchị? They are the same thing. Then another one is, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Gịnị kpatara iji akwa akwa? That is Igbo translation. Gịnị kpatara iji akwa akwa? Or gịnị mere iji ebe akwa? Maybe you see someone crying and you are asking him or her, gịnị mere iji ebe akwa? Ị na-ajụ, kedu ife na-eti gị akwa? Yes, kedu ife na-eti gị akwa? Why are you crying? Gịnị kpatara iji ebe akwa? Okay, they are laughing. They are laughing. Tụgharịa anya n'asụsụ Igbo, kedu ife ọ ga-abụ? They are laughing. Translate it to Igbo. Kedu ife ọ ga-abụ? Ha na-achị ọchị. Ha na-achị ọchị. Nwere ike isi ha na-amụ amụ. Ọ bụrụ ndị ọbụla na-asị ịchị ọchị. Ha na-achị ọchị. Ha na-amụ amụ. They are laughing. Ha na-amụ amụ or ha na-achị ọchị. Are you still crying? Are you still crying? Maybe someone, you've consoled someone, you've calmed someone down to stop crying. Are you still crying? So how would you say it in Igbo? Ị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-ebe akwa. Ị na-ajụ somebody. Are you still crying? Kedu ka ị ga-esi atụgharị n'Igbo? Ị na-akwa akwa or ma ọ bụ ị na-ebe akwa. That is it. That's it for now. But today I will be giving assignment, and I would like you to do this assignment and drop your answers on the comment section. Please, it's very important so that I will know if truly you are learning. So the assignment is simple, just two simple sentences. Just two sentences you would translate to Igbo language. First is, don't cry again. Don't cry again. That's number one. Okay. Number two, don't laugh at him again. Don't laugh at him again. First one is don't cry again. The second one, don't laugh at him again. So I would like to know your translations. These two simple sentences to Igbo language. Please, I would like to see your answers on the comment section. I will go around to reply to all your comments. Thank you very much for watching, and like, comment, share. Like I always say, even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you Mazi, or Mazi Ndewo, Mazi Dalu, or Mazi Jisike. I would really appreciate. Thanks once again, and see you in my next video. Yeah, Messia.